So when you remember your higher nature, divine nature, you will be automatically free from all this worries, anxieties, all that. So recollect your higher nature, divine nature. Again, remember what Swami Vivekananda said. What you think, that you become. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. This is a fact. You think I am divine, all the time you will become divine. Think I am a sinner, will become a sinner. Think I am useless, fit for nothing. So will become that. This is very important to know. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. What you think, that you become. So I was telling all these 4 days. We and God are very much related. Like ocean and the waves. So we and God cannot be separated at all. As we cannot separate the wave and the ocean. Never separate it. So same way, we are part and parcel of God. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna says, you don't know how much God loves you. We love God, how much God loves us. Much more than what we love Him. Because God is full of compassion. So the theory of avatars, God takes the human form as Rama, Krishna, all the avatars of God. So why does He come down? So Bhagavad Gita says, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyutthana madharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Paritranaya sadhunam, to protect. Sadhunam, the people who are very good. Sadhunam. But the good people always, noble people. Not only that, vinasaya dushkrutam. Destroy the evil-minded people. Destroy the evil. Dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. So one disciple writes about Sri Ramakrishna. Vitaritum avatirnam jnana bhakti prashanti pranaya galita chittam jiva dukkha asahishnam. Beautifully he says, Vitaritum avatirnam. So Vitaritum means to distribute. Avatirnam, he incarnated, took the human birth as Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. To distribute what? Jnana, bhakti, prashanti. So Jnana, everybody wants the knowledge. Bhakti, prashanti, that mental peace. I was telling that day, mental peace, prashanti, peace of mind. So distribute these three: Jnana, Bhakti and Prashanti. Pranaya Galita Chittam, his heart melted. Jiva Dukkha Asagishnum, by seeing the miseries of people. He could not stand, could not bear the children undergoing all the miseries. So out of that compassion, his heart melted and came down, took the human form. See that extent the God loves us, comes down to guide his children. Why should he come down? Because he feels my children are suffering. Who will show them the way? So then they come down like this, yuge yuge. Whenever dharma is in trouble, adharma has the upper hand, they come down to balance it. So again, this happens every time. So whenever they incarnate, the avatar takes place. So they give us the message, like Bhagavad Gita. Last time I told you, the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. The words of God. Read just few pages every day and see for yourself how much mental peace you get, how much joy you get. You feel for yourself. Clearly he says, the goal of human life is to realize God. That means your true nature, your real nature. So you belong to God, God belongs to you. As the ocean and waves cannot be separated. So only we lost track, somehow or other we forgot our true nature. So we can ask, why we forgot our true nature? So scriptures give so many answers. How we forgot our true nature. So one answer is by power of Maya. So the divine power called as Maya. So Maya has got two powers. So one is Avarana Shakti. And two is Vikshepa Shakti. What did I say? Vikshepa Shakti. So Avarana Shakti means, Avarana means covered. Suppose that book is there, I cover with a cloth. That is called as Avarana Shakti. Vikshepa Shakti. Now you won't see the book. What to see there? The cloth, which is not the truth. The Vikshepa Shakti. So one power covers that reality, another power shows you something different. True nature is covered. So it shows you as a human being. You are the human being. Ajnanena avrutam jnanam. Tena muhyanti jantavaha. Says Bhagavad Gita. Why we are deluded? We lost our true nature. We forgot our true nature because of power of ignorance. Ajnana. So jnana is covered by ajnana. Ajnanena avrutam jnanam. Tena muhyanti jantavaha. People are deluded because the jnana is covered by ajnana. So Shankaracharya gives another reason. Suppose a man is traveling. A poisoned arrow hits him. What he has to do? Suppose research, he goes on doing research from where the arrow came, what kind of poison it contains. This fellow will die. What he has to do? First remove the arrow. Treat him first. Don't do research. Why we forgot our true nature. Find out the solution. You waste your time in doing research how this ignorance came. So there is no end for it, he says. First treat him, otherwise this fellow will die. So how practical our wise people, you see, acharyas. They say, why do you waste your time in research? That fellow will die. Time is very precious. So they give us means. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna says very clearly, the goal is to realize God, our true nature, realize it, discover. Know our true nature, divine nature. He gives 4 methods, 4 parts of it. The first thing he says, Nama Sankirtanam. Lot of importance is given to Nama Sankirtanam. Kalau Nama Sankirtanat. This Kali Yuga, people are short-lived. Their hands are tied, feet are tied. They can't spend much time in sadhana. So it is condensed as Nam. Take the name of the Lord. Chant the name of the Lord. Nama Sankirtanam. So second is Satsangatyam. Holy company. This is a lot of importance. Holy company. Who is a holy person? How to recognize the holy person? The simple technique is, suppose you go to a near a holy person. So what exactly happens? Where your mind gets elevated. You feel some kind of peace in his presence. The true sign of a holy person. Who talks only about God. Doesn't waste his time in all the worldly matters. Every time you see him, he is talking about only God. Matchitta, Madgata Prana, bodhayanta parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So Matchitta Madgata Pranam. His mind always with the Lord. His mind is full with the Lord. He lives in the Lord. So when these kind of people meet each other, discuss only about God. Bodhayanta parasparam katayantascha mam nityam. If a real bhakta is there, he will never discuss about worldly matters. He discusses only about God. Tushyanti cha Raman, there is just lot of joy, contentment. So a true bhakta is like that. So understand this. Chanamapi sajjana sangati reka bhavati bhavarnava tarane nauka. Shankara says in Viveka Chudamani. What does it mean? Chanamapi sajjana sangati reka. The holy person's company even for a few moments. Chanamapi. Bhavati bhavarnava tarane nauka. That becomes a boat. Take you across the ocean of samsara. See how powerful it is. Chanamapi. People visit Sri Ramakrishna. Always people around him. So always he talks only about God, nothing else. The moment people go in his company, they forget how long they are sitting there. They lose awareness of the surroundings. For hours together they will be sitting. Power of holy company. So first is Nama Sankirtana. Second one is Satsangatya. Third one is Vyakulata. The hunger for God is another quality. He has got everything in life. Mumukshu. All comforts are there. Good life is there. Everything is there. He is not happy with that. Something is missing in life. For the Ramakrishna mission, who brahmacharis who join, last time I told you, one brahmachari who is here, who takes meditation class, he is a software engineer. He had everything in life. Good parents, loving parents, all. Just left everything and came. For what? What does he lack? Earning, handful. All comforts are there. As IIT gold medalist, left. Handsome jobs. Anveshana. Mind wants something else, something more. That is hunger for God, Vyakulata. The hunger, I must find God. Very important. This hunger for God. Very few will get. So Gita puts it, Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. Among thousands and thousands of people, sahasreshu kaschit. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. Thousands and thousands of human beings, one or two have this mumukshutva, hunger for God. Rare commodity. It has to be developed. The fourth one he says, practice sadhana in a seclusion. At least suppose once in 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, detach yourself from everything. Spend a day or two alone, left to yourself. Contemplative life. This you practice, he says. So these 4 practices, first is Nama Sankirtana. Second one, Satsangat. Third one, Vyakulata. Fourth one, yes. It's all must practice it. At least once in 6 months, just withdraw yourself for one day or 2 days. See, where do you stand? Introspective life. That's a very good spiritual practice. So by this 4 methods combination, so our goal, we are sure of our goal as you breathe in and breathe out. Must go on continuously. That happens only by grace of God. So it's a lot of grace you have got. So it doesn't come. So the grace of God. Abham Raval. Not by anything else. The moment to go His presence, you will feel that. Because He radiates. So only when we have in abundance, we can radiate it. So unless it is there, that is the sure sign of. So Sri Ramakrishna says, giving spirituality like a fruit you can give to others. So Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna said in his last days, he called all his disciples and he said, Divine Mother has deposited so much of spirituality and spiritual power in me. Just by my sankalpa, I can give mukti to thousands of people. He says that. Let him get mukti, he will get mukti immediately. He called his disciples and says this. Not even touch anybody. My sankalpa is sufficient, let him get mukti, he will get liberation. That is the power of this incarnations. They are always present. So when we say it's present, it is a fact, it's a truth. They are with us all the time. So that presence must feel it. The grace of God. Power of this, the avatars. They can do all this. Easy to approach these avatars because they are taken human, but they are living present everywhere. Even today, how many thousands of people has darshan of Rama, Krishna, like Sri Ramakrishna, even today. How many thousands of people? Recently, Bhadrachal Ramdas, all of you know it. How Rama Lakshmana came with the gold coins still preserved. These are all eternal truths. So what scriptures say are nothing but Satyam. So we'll sing one Namavali and then go for our meditation class. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Hare Ram Hare Krishna Radhe Govinda Hare Ram Hare Krishna Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Radhe Gopal 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 Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Hare Ram Hare Krishna Radhe Govinda Hare Ram Hare Krishna Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Radhe Gopal 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 So enjoy the mutt atmosphere, the spiritual vibrations. So try to, what you got, must know how to preserve it. Make it your own. It should not get vaporized. Know how to preserve it, store it. should remain with you all the time. So make ourselves fit to receive that grace. Contain it with us. It comes, do not get vaporized. Like a hot frying pan, suppose when water drop falls, it vaporized. Not like that. How to preserve it, store it, enjoy it. Feel that contentment. Most important is contentment. Maybe a crorepati. Suppose I have 10 crores, I want 100 crores. And of course, 1,000 crores. No end for it. Yadrucha labha santushto. Be content with God has given you. That is the biggest achievement. Contentment. God has given me sufficient. Lead a comfortable life. That should be practiced. Contentment. That gives a lot of joy. God has given us sufficiently a comfortable life. So, thank God.